If you don't have enough money, you failed in two areas. One of them is marketing. Check for yourself. In areas where you market yourself, let's say you are a good musician, okay, and you market your technical side, so technically you'll be known. But if you don't market everything about you, you will not have money. I just had the show in Israel, and I had like the best musicians in Israel, and they make money out of their music. And they told me that it's miracle that they're actually making money out of music, because most artists are poor and these guys are rich. And I asked them, why is it? And they say, well, because we are good. And I said, okay, good, fine. Is there other people that are good? They say, yes, there are many people that are good, maybe even better than us. Are they making money? No. Good. So I started to talk to them, and we found that they are continuously marketing, nonstop. That's the common denominator. They market. Now, to be successful, you need to be an expert in both areas. Otherwise, I can guarantee you'll have no money. If you don't have money, you have problem with marketing. If you have problem with marketing, the actual source is not marketing, and we'll get into it. Now, those areas are called the double lock. The double lock is two areas. One is marketing, and another one that only once you handle those two areas will you be able to market and have money. There are 171 reasons why one failed in marketing, and 171 methods to succeed in marketing. And the good news is they're very simple, totally simple to implement, cost nothing or very close to nothing. So you can take any one of those actions. You will never do nothing. You will either do the wrong thing, so you will apply the 171 ways in the wrong way and you will fail, or you apply them in the right way and you will have endless amount of money.